and thank you for joining me. My name is Kayla Myers. Today I'm going to be going over different locks in OnBase. So as a OnBase system administrator, you do have access to remove locks on documents, batches, and processes. In order to remove those locks, we're going to do it through the OnBase client. So I'm logged into the OnBase client as my manager account. I'm going to select admin. And I'm going to go down to Utilities, Document. The document lock will be when anyone has a lock on the document. So let's just say somebody in your accounts payable department is looking at an invoice, maybe they're making some changes to it, and then somebody else in a different department is trying to access that same invoice and also trying to make changes. There would be a lock on a document, so no changes can be made. So as an OnBase system administrator, you are able to go in and remove a lock. So let's look at the next lock. If we go to, again, Admin, Utilities, Process Lock. These would be if you have any processes running. So your processes, your dips, your colds, your sweeps, your drips. Usually the locks are there when something has gone wrong in the system. So maybe a service stopped running or the database completely went down. Typically that's when you would see some type of process lock. And now let's look at our batch lock. Again, admin, utilities, batch lock administration. So your batches, somebody's trying to scan something and maybe you have the disk group open in the configuration client. So that is going to lock any of the batches. So same thing, you can select the batch and you can remove the lock. The next client you can use to check for locks is the OnBase Unity client. In order to do that, again, you would log into the OnBase Unity client with the manager account or an account that has access to your locks. You would select File, Administration, and Manage Locks. From there, you can see any document that is locked. If you select the document list here, you could remove the lock. And then one more client that you can use to check for locks would be the OnBase Web Client. So from the OnBase Web Client, you would hit the menu option, you would scroll down to your users, and go to your lock object. Again, you can see that there is a lock on a document. The document is already highlighted. All you have to do is remove that lock. You'll notice both in the OnBase Unity client and web client, we were only able to unlock or remove the locks for documents. Thank you very much for joining this presentation. I hope everyone has a great day.